Today we're excited to be unboxing the new packaging of the Home 2. On the upper right, you can see which type and which power level you have chosen. You can choose between three different levels of power and two different plug types. The packaging is of very high quality to ensure the security of our products during delivery. Inside, you have the brochure of EV Pass, which is the largest network of charging stations in Switzerland, and you will find your Wallbox, your Home 2, within the app. The user manual is available in different languages such as English, French, Italian, and German. The product itself is of very high quality, very aesthetic, and can be activated with one simple click. Inside, you can see that the plug and everything else is very simple to install. And it's very easily usable. This is what it looks like on the wall.